Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And would you know where to start with a garden like this? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly what we did to bring it back under control. Enjoy. So this tidy up job is just a bit of weeding, trimming back. Just weeded this bed, got all the grass out, edged it. There's a beautiful magnolia there, which was huge. Just trim that down, shape it. Just gonna now go around the borders here, get all the weeds out, trim the fuchsia. Got the bushes at the back to trim. Trim back these and just weed the edges. This one's cutting back as well. And I might just trim back the acer slightly so you can walk past it. And then we'll mow the lawn. And then there's the front to tackle. So far so good. So that's the borders weeded, bushes, magnolia trimmed, all the side borders, fuchsia weeded, climbing rose tied up and trimmed, all this side weeded and took all the dead bits out of the hydrangea. Got this bush now trimmed and shaped, all weeded, and we've got the acer and the laurel. Again, all trimmed back and patio all weeded. So full morning, but looks good. So all this top part's been fully weeded now, and then so the garden's all done and finished, and the client is happy. Perfect.